So I got a request for a video on how to assemble the sliding dock for the Comma 3X. So you want to take your base. I've got an 8-degree base here because this is going in an F-150. If you use a regular standard base mount for your Comma 3X, like you have an Accord or a Civic, there's a 3D printable standard base that doesn't have the angle on it. But you take your 90 and you push it down in there and make sure it sits good and flush and that it sticks out plenty. Once you know that it's good and it's not too tight, then you pull it back out and you just want to put a little bit of glue right here on the top and right here on the bottom and slide this back in. Now I'm not gluing it right now because I don't want to deal with glue while I'm trying to use the camera. But once you've got that glued in, you then take your 180 and push it on there. We're doing this to make sure that the 180 and the 90 always line up perfectly. Then you're going to take the part that actually attaches to the comma and put some glue down here in this bottom corner here where it's going to make contact with that 180 coupler. And then you take and you slide that piece up on there, and the glue is now going to grab it right there in the corner. Give it about 30 seconds to dry, and then you can pull it right apart before the glue's had time to set fully, just in case any of the glue got down in the grooves. You want to make sure these two don't get permanently glued together, and then should slide in and out every time once the glue's dry.